Some people make some sins halal upon themselves, considering that Allah Azza wa Jal is Ghafoor, Allah Azza wa Jal is Rahim. Which is why, I'll give you a small analogy here. Someone who fears accidents, someone who wants to learn to drive a car, for instance, and fears accidents and fears that no, if he is sitting behind that wheel and trying to drive a car, no, he will not only meet with an accident, he will die. If a person has got fears like this, such a person will never be able to learn to drive a car. Similarly, on the other hand, on the contrary, if there's another person who enjoys high speed driving, who enjoys thrilling, speeds while he's driving the car, he is always going to drive his car recklessly. He's not going to be worried about the accidents. He's not going to be worried about his own life, leave alone the lives of others. So he enjoys it that much, and he's completely blinded of the other side. Therefore, someone who knows, that of course accidents can happen, but you need to maintain your speed. You need to not, you need to control your speed. You need to drive at certain speeds, and he's mindful of also getting to his destination. So such a person who's mindful of getting to his destination, who of course fears accidents, which is why he controls the speed, and he is not driving recklessly, is a person that learns to drive and enjoys driving cars, or for that matter anything, throughout his life. Likewise, if we know aqidah enough, aqidah well, inshallah ta'ala, we would also be amongst those who would continue to enjoy our life. Like the ulama say, and I think I also mentioned it, ad-dinu ja'a lis-sa'ada, li-sa'adatil bashar. The religion came to help us become prosperous. The religion of Allah Azza wa Jal came to guide us so that we remain absolutely fit and fine, hale and healthy. Which is why ulama say, Ma'rifatu sifatillahi hiya as-sabil al-wahid. The recognition of Allah Azza wa Jal's names and attribute is the only way. For what? لِسَلَامَةِ الْعَقْلِ وَلِصَلَاحِهِ. Yeah? In order for us to have sound mind, and in order for us to have a healthy mind, and in order for us to be able to live a happy, prosperous life, Aqidah plays a significant role.